yesterday, a lot of headlines today are about the guarantee, the cost of the guarantee, and so on and so forth. I had 10 minutes of questioning in my main time. I didn't ask about any of that. I didn't ask about the guarantee. I didn't ask about the night of the guarantee. The reason why is because Patrick Honan was tasked to write a book or a report about regulation. He wasn't asked to actually look at the guarantee at all. He wasn't asked to look at the night of the guarantee, the consequences, the cost, or anything like that there. He was asked to deal with regulation in the banks. And if we're to treat the inquiry, and I'm sure that every member will, then we need to take it genuinely serious. We've a number of months. It's going to be hard work. There will be plenty of opportunity to talk about what happened on the night of the guarantee. I expect that those people who were in the room will be before the committee and will be teasing that out. What we're hearing, and remember, what you're getting in the inquiry is evidence that we have to rely on. It's not just, it's somebody's opinion, but it is actually evidence now. So what we have yesterday is second-hand evidence. It's hearsay.
In court it would be hearsay.
It's hearsay. So we have to be mindful of what we're trying to do here. It is really important for the public to be able to hear Patrick Honan say that. But Patrick Honan's report was about the regulation. That's why I focused yesterday in my talk about Depfa Bank, which was a bank, the first bank that went bust in the state, but a bank that lobbied heavy for certain types of legislation, successful, came here to Ireland, benefited from that legislation, and went bust, and had some of the most senior people in Irish society on it. For one of the most senior people in the Department of Finance was its director. He ended up being the governor of the central bank. So there's questions about how that happened, and Honan points that out in his report, that the promotion of the IFSC, which he says was government policy of non-intrusive regulation, that type of regulation had to be applied to the domestic banks.